So this is the Ultra Air Jutsu Jetfire, and you might see a break in this video. So I'm going to show you two features. You can move that to make it fly, and you can move it all the way very fast, so this actually flies off. Just like the other one, can do the same, but you can see the rip make it fly off. And now for the last feature, the windshield pops up, and you can see some rock, ice, fire, and lightning and energy. And some more firepower. And this is the Air Jutsu Jetfire.